A Freecash account ban can sometimes be reviewed if you submit a clear appeal with accurate information and follow the platform's verification process. By the end of this, you'll know how to prepare a strong appeal, what information to include, and what actions to avoid while your account is under review. Start by finding the exact reason your account was restricted. Read every message from Freecash carefully, including emails and in-app notifications. Knowing whether the issue involves account verification, offer activity, multiple accounts, or another policy concern helps you write a more useful appeal. Next, contact Freecash through its official support channel. Use the same email address that's connected to your account. Changing email addresses during the appeal can make it harder for support to verify ownership. When writing your appeal, explain the situation in chronological order. State when the restriction appeared, what you were doing before it happened, and whether you noticed any unusual activity on your account. Keep your explanation factual. Avoid emotional language, accusations, or sending multiple long messages with conflicting information. If you believe the restriction was a mistake, explain why and include any evidence that supports your case. Screenshots of error messages, offer completion screens, account activity, or previous conversations with support can help if they're relevant. Only provide information that's accurate. Submitting incorrect details or altered screenshots can damage the credibility of your appeal and make the review more difficult. If Freecash requests identity verification or additional documents, respond through the same support conversation whenever possible. Providing requested information promptly helps prevent unnecessary delays. While waiting for a decision, don't create another Freecash account. Trying to bypass a restriction with a second account can create additional account issues and complicate the original appeal. Also, avoid repeatedly submitting new appeal requests for the same case. Updating your existing ticket with new information is usually more effective than creating duplicate conversations. If your appeal is approved, review the platform's rules before completing new offers or requesting withdrawals. Understanding the account guidelines reduces the chance of running into the same issue again. If your appeal isn't approved, read the response carefully to understand the reason before taking any further action. That gives you the best chance of addressing any remaining concerns if additional information is requested. To sum it up, identify the reason for the ban, submit one clear appeal with accurate evidence, respond to verification requests, and avoid creating another account during the review. Next, keep screenshots of important account activity and completed offers so you'll have useful records if you ever need to contact support. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Freecash troubleshooting guides, and check out our other videos covering withdrawals, offer tracking, and account recovery.